Good evening. I hope all you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day. Somebody hooked us up this evening. Bianca was on the My Disney Experience, and somehow, first try, she scored Flight of Passage.
Yes.
Fast passes.
So it can be done.
It can be done. I don't know how.
Stroke of luck.
Let's go have a good night. I still can't believe we're riding the Flight of Passage. All right, let's go in. Yay. Looks like they are making a new security checkpoint for the front entrance here at Animal Kingdom. We have a special guest with us this evening. It's not that busy here at Animal Kingdom. I always love walking into the park and seeing this view. It is on the chillier side this evening. Instead of water bottles, they have throws. They have what I was looking for. Baby Yoda! I haven't done this in a long time. Babe, are you ready to go to Pandora?
I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go! It still works! I still have my powers! I will say, it is good to be back. It's currently 125 minutes, but luckily we have a fast pass. By the way, I have never had a Flight of Passage fast pass. I still can't believe we scored last minute fast passes like 30 minutes ago.
And we're already here.
We're about to get on the ride now. This is awesome.
The Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. Please go inside, all the way in, and stand over the same number that you're standing over now. And I'll see you in there.
Experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikron.
Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down.
All right, let's do this. I forget how good that ride is. I just took such an incredible picture on my iPhone 11 Pro. Looks so much better than it does in real life. Well, I guess the camera picks it up a little bit better, but the iPhone 11, man, it's awesome. Are banshees still a thing? Whoa, I feel like the walkways got a little brighter. They have definitely added some upgrades for lighting here in Pandora. We can see like some laser dots everywhere. It's definitely a lot brighter. I just took another amazing low light photo on my iPhone 11 Pro. And I mean, I cannot even see any colors on the mountain. Well, you can see a little bit like I said on that last clip, but nothing like the iPhone 11. It's still really cool to see at nighttime though. Look at the new Simba popcorn bucket that was released about 4 days ago. Pretty cute. We're gonna go ride Expedition Everest because it's only a 25-minute wait. I'm using my Canon G7X Mark II and I forget how good it does in low light. It's been a long time since I rode Everest at nighttime. I know you can't see me, but I'm really cold right now. I didn't bring a hoodie. Bianca. As I was about to say, that ride is so awesome at nighttime. It transforms that ride into something incredible. Should I get it? Let me know down in the comments if you guys have watched Rivers of Light. I am not a fan. I have a quick question. I'm walking under the dinosaur here and I look up and I notice some lights, but they are put in such a obvious place. Are those nipples? The things you notice when you're just walking through the park at nighttime when it's not crowded. I wanted to ride dinosaur, but they closed the ride an hour early before the park closes. Dang it. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you guys are looking to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, be sure to go visit my friends over at Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge anything to book your next Walt Disney World vacation, and they are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description, click on their link for your next trip to Walt Disney World. It is actually the next day. I'm in the car heading to Disney's Hollywood Studios for another fun evening. I was on my phone scrolling through Instagram and I seen that Disney just put up the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway sign on the Chinese theater, so that's gonna be really cool to see. But anyways, let's get to studios. Just made it here to Hollywood Studios, and the park hours are pretty odd. The park didn't open until 8 a.m. this morning, and it closes at 8 o'clock p.m. So right at 12 hours. I always like to show you guys an update every now and then of the ticket prices. I think they went up just a little bit, but nothing crazy. I don't know. It's just odd to me that the parks are closing this early, especially heading into spring break hours. I'm heading straight back to the Chinese theater, and oh my goodness, the sign is massive. It looks awesome. Let me show you guys. Holy cow. It looks great. I love it. It is massive. I cannot wait to see the sign all lit up at nighttime with the neon. Oh man, this makes me even more excited. You know, I was so sad that the Great Movie Ride shut down. I really was. To this day, I still get like the ambition walking into the park and wanting to go ride the Great Movie Ride, but it's gone and I've accepted it. But seeing this sign and just seeing everything that Disney has been doing to promote it, I'm really excited to ride this ride. It's Mickey Mouse's first ride in any of the Walt Disney World theme parks. March 4th, I will be here to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Looks like they will have a fast pass line also. Anyways, I went to Disney's Riviera this morning to do a DVC tour because I am pretty interested in buying DVC sometime this year into next year. But with that, I got 3 fast passes that I can use tonight. So I'm excited to put that to the test. Oh no, it's tour group season already. You can never pass up a view of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. That's where we'll be heading for our first fast pass of the evening. Let's see if these things work. Oh yes.
Crossed over into the twilight zone. You are the passengers of the most uncommon element, about to ascend.
That's such a fun ride, such a classic. I am now heading back to Star Tours because I haven't took you guys on Star Tours since they updated all the new scenes from Rise of Skywalker. It was a straight walk on to Star Tours. I did not want to waste a fast pass for a walk-on wait.
Flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados.
Here we go.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy.
Dear, this is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
You need our part two engines immediately. You know I can't swim. And neither can you.
It's good to see you too. And you too, Aunt too.
In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers.
That was really fun, seeing the new scenes from Rise of Skywalker on Star Tours. But now, let's actually head inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge just to see what's going on, see how Rise of Resistance is doing, maybe get a blue milk, maybe ride Smuggler's Run. I don't know. And then I also want to try Slinky Dog and see if these fast passes work on Slinky Dog. I don't think it does, but won't hurt going to see. It's looking real good and smooth. I just spoke with a cast member and she said the ride has not broken down today, so that's a really good sign. I need to get back over here and ride it. I just hate getting up early. I think we all do. By the way, if you guys want to see me come back to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and bring my lightsaber, go meet some characters and just have fun, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up as well if you guys are enjoying the video so far. And every time I come in here, I always notice little details I did not notice the first time of me being in here. Look at these little like paw prints going throughout the land. It's pretty cool. It's also pretty cool that you no longer need any sort of reservations to go build a lightsaber or scrap metal, go build a droid, or even Oga's Cantina. You can walk up and walk right in most of the time. And this land is so much better once the sun sets like it is doing now and it turns into nighttime. Oh, I love Galaxy's Edge so much at nighttime. Looks like they're having a Droid Royal Rumble right now. Oh, what the heck. I've been craving blue milk. Let's go give it another try. I think I'm standing right next to like a space AC unit. Anyway, I got my blue milk. I've been craving this stuff. I don't know what it is. I was not a fan at first, and then I kept having it, and now I'm just a fan. This is without alcohol, just regular blue milk. Stuff is so good. I love it. Also, when the sun goes down, I feel like this place gets so loud with spaceships flying by. It's super cool. By the way, this thing was almost $9. Did they raise the price? That's pretty expensive for a small thing of blue milk, but anyways, it's still good. Smuggler's Run is only a 30-minute wait this evening. That's not bad at all. The really nice cast member just told me single rider is a walk-on, so of course I am taking full advantage. Yep, it was a straight walk-on. This evening, I'm gonna be your engineer.
And engineers, you harpooned that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case. Hurry now, time is up.
Oh no, there's so many buttons. Okay, are we good? We got it.
Train. Papa, those Evitalis are protecting the train. Take them out.
Mr. Stark, I'm not feeling so good. I am now here in Toy Story Land just to go see if one of these fast passes will work on Slinky Dog. I don't think it will, but it's worth a shot.
Here we go.
The fast passes didn't work. Oh well, we tried. Oh, okay, I was wondering about this. So right here is gonna be where the new Toy Story restaurant will be coming. It's really cool, right on the side of Slinky Dog, and then the front entrance is right here. Don't know when this is supposed to open. Just made it back to the car. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's videos along with all of my videos. It really does mean the world to me as the lights just went out. You know, yesterday Bianca scored the last minute fast passes for Flight of Passage, which I still cannot believe she scored fast passes. Like, she got on the app and Flight of Passage was the first thing that came up, and we took it and we rode it, and it was a great time. And then coming over here to Hollywood Studios to just have a fun evening. You know, I was not expecting to do as much as I did this evening, and I just used one fast pass. I still have 2 left that I'll probably save for Magic Kingdom. I have a media event this weekend, which I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to bring you guys along for that journey. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here, because we do this quite often, and I love you guys so much. It's nice to be nice. Let's do this one more time, and you too. I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time. But baby, then again,